طيب. So we are in module 7, lesson 2. Write and solve one-step addition and subtraction inequalities. Page 343, and today is 15 December. Yeah, let's start with example 2. Let's read it together. Let's read example 2. We are on page 343. Read, Ya Umar.
On two sides of dirt. The difference in height of this Yorkshire Terrier and his great grand is at least 55 inches.
Good. So he has, or he owns, 2 dogs. The difference in heights, you know the heights. Cool, yani. The difference in heights is how much? 25, at least 25 inches. So is the height 25 inches? It is at least 25. Got it? كلمة at least means equality, right? If the question said the difference in height is 25 inches, not at least, this will be equation. Got it? Continue. So we have the first dog, 6 and 1/4 inches. The second dog, we don't know. And we know the difference between the 2 heights, which is at least 25 inches. Continue. Good. So we write and solve inequality to determine the possible, not the exact, the possible height of the Great Danny dog. Okay. So this is our variable. We said the variable is the thing that the question asked me about. Check. So let P or G or K بدك إياه. Let P be, sorry. This is example 2, right? Yeah. Let P be the height of the شو اسمه الكلب؟ ها؟ Great Dane. It is type of dogs, okay? Right. So let P be the height of Great Dane, right? The difference in heights is how much? At least means more than or equal. صح؟ يلا, the difference in height means P. Difference means add or subtract? Subtract. Difference. صح? P minus the second dog, which is how much? 6 and 1/4 should be at least more than or equal. This is the inequality. What we will do now? Yeah. P more than or equal 25 plus 6 and 1/4. So P will be more than or equal 31 and 1/4. This is the possible height, not the exact height. Get it? The question said to find the possible height. يعني the height can be 31 and 1/4 or more, not less. Got it? Now let's graph it. The solution here 31 and 1/4, right? Close circle. Done. This is example 2. يلا finish copying. Right, we are in the check of example 2, page 344. يلا check of example 2, page 344. read يا تميم يلا. Gabriella.
Gabriela paid 17% popular for a feature that was on sale.
بس. Gabriella paid 17.25 for a sweatshirt that was on sale. On sale means what? Offer. تخفيضات يعني, right? This is the new price. مش تدخل مرات على المول بتلاقي مثلا this before 100 ريال and now 80 ريال. صح؟ مش هيك؟ هذا اسمه on sale. Continue. بس the difference between the original price and the sale price. The sale price which is given, how much? So which one, by logic, which one is bigger, the sale price or the original price? The original. السعر الجديد بيكون أعلى ولا ليش عامل تخفيض صح؟ So here the difference between the original price and the sale price was at most 8.50. Continue. Good. So let's find the inequality first. So they want us to find the possible original price. So let P, this is check of example 2, right? Let P be the original price. Yeah, you need to define your variable. It's important. It's important if you move. حكى. طيب. You need to define the variable. Without defining the variable, if you write just the inequality, I will take a look. What's your variable? Your variable represents what? صح? So you need to say let x be كذا. Then use x down. Got it? No, you need to write it. You need to write it. This is the correct answer. So let P be the original price. Now, when I write P down, when you see P, you know what's P. What's P? The original price. صح? Yeah. So let's prepare the inequality now. We said the difference between the original price, which is P, and the sale price, which is how much? 17.5 is at most, sorry. So P minus the sale price, how much? 17.25. At most, less than or equal 8.50 had given, right? This is the inequality. Now we solve it to find the original price possibilities. Yeah. So P had in part A, right? In part B, what is the solution, right? Now we solve it. Part B, let's solve it. P less than or equal 8.5 plus 17.25. So P less than or equal 25.75. Right? What's this mean? This means that the original price can be 25.75 or less. In part C, they said the original price of the sweatshirt was at what? At most. So in part C, you will say at most 25.75 dollars. فايدك من غير ما تحكي من غير ما تحكي. Yes. I'm free. أنا بحط الفيديو وأنت عارف تعمل. طيب. We are on. We done with the check. Write it, please. Copy it. Okay. Done writing? Yeah, let's go to the apply question, page 345. We are in the apply question, page 345. Apply question, page 345. Okay? Yeah, read. Focus with the apply question, guys. We will explain the question here. It's important in this type of lessons. It's important to understand the question. When you read, don't read fast without focusing what you are reading. Read slowly and focus. يلا read. Weight, not height. يلا. The maximum. Good. So here we have elevator. You know the elevator. And the elevator has capacity. It's dangerous if the elevator can hold 10 people and you put 15 inside it. It's so dangerous, right? So here the maximum capacity is how many pounds? 900. Continue. Mean she, Maya. She and she and other 5. How much? How many people? 6 people. Continue. So she and 5 صاروا 6. Then other 2 people صاروا 8 people. So in the elevator now, how many people? 8 people. Continue. If Maya, so the weight of Maya, we know it, 108. And the other 5 passengers, we know them from the table beside the question. See the table? We have passenger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know the weight of each one of them. So we know, aywa, We know Maya and the other 5. Still the 2 which entered later on, we don't know the weight of them. Continue. The maximum weight capacity. The question asked me how much the weight of these 2 passengers اللي اجوا بعدين, but with one condition that it's not allowed to exceed how much? 900, right? Right. Now, first step, I need to collect the weights which I know. The weights which I know, I will add them to know the total weight of the 6 passengers, mean Maya and the first 5 which who were with her, right? Yeah. So here, let's add the weights, the known weights. The known weights. أول شيء Maya. What's the weight of Maya? 108 plus. Now I will add the passenger's weight in the table, right? The first passenger weight 182, then 126, then 78, then 35, then 63, then just. Let's add them. I will add them. Wait. So let's add. I'll use my calculator to save time. 108 plus 182 plus 126 plus 78 plus 135 plus 63. It is 690-ish pounds IP, right? That 690 pounds. These are the 6 people, Maya and the 5 friends. Now, do we know the weight of the 2 people which enter? No. So let K or W, because we are talking about weight, be, add, you can use any variable, be the weight of the 2 people, right? السلام. مين بده اياه؟ He has math period. قول له عنده math period بعدين. قول له عنده math period. عنده math period. يلا. يلا. Let W be the weight of the 2 people, right? طيب. Now the total here 690. And the 2 people, we call it W. Together should be more than 900 or less than 900? What? less than. ما بصيرش نتعدى ال 900 صح؟ يلا. So W plus 690 should be less than or equal in 900. Read the question. The question said at the end, without exceeding in 900. Without exceeding, يعني من غير ما نعدي 900. Exactly. So let's find it now. Shift the 690. 900 minus 690, right? W will be less than or equal 210. No, we have something wrong. Wait. Are you sure? Are we sure about the adding? Yeah, this one 692. Just fix it here. 92, okay? 92, 92. Now 900 minus 692. 208. What's this mean? W is than or equal 208. What's this mean? the total weight of the two passengers لازم ما يزيدوا عن 208. Why? Because if we have 209, it will be 901, which is exceeds 900, which is dangerous about the elevator thing. Okay, done. Exactly, it should be. لا, at 900 the elevator is okay, depending on the question information. At 900 good, not more 900. Okay. ايوه. لا, the second two passengers. قصدك اب. لا, ما الباوند مش كيلو جرام، الباوند اقل من الكيلو جرام. طيب. Now we have check after this example. Let's do the check please before the times finish, and then we can finish. Let's do the check. Okay, are we done with this apply question? يلا كبي بس بسرعة. Wait والله يا مستر, wait. We are in the check page 346, right? Yeah. Bas. She is required to read at least 2 hours. يعني 2 hours or more. At least 2 hours. يعني more than or equal to, right? Continue. Good. Now طلع التابل عندك. هلا each week she should read how much? 2 hours. طيب in Monday she wrote she read 20 what? Minutes. We know 2 hours means 120 minutes, 60, right? طيب in Tuesday 25 minutes, in Wednesday 15, Thursday 10, Friday 20, Saturday and Sunday are missing. So let H ماشي be the number لا of minutes in which days? In Saturday and Sunday, right? This is my variable. Let H be the number of minutes that she needs to read in Saturday and Sunday. Why I choose these 2 days? Because they are missing in the table. This is the unknown value, okay? Now the total of the whole week's minutes, should be equal, less than or equal, more than or equal what? اللي هو in minutes how much? 120. We won't write 2. We need to write 120 because the given information in minutes, right? More than or equal. More than or equal. Done? Done. Fine. So Saturday قد ايه؟ Sunday نعرفوش. طيب Monday 20. Let's add the known, right? The known values. يلا هات اعطيني يا نجم. 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 10 plus 20. These are the known, right? Let's add them. 20, 40, صح? 40, 60, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 90, right? هاي 90. 90 what هذول؟ Minutes. So the first 5 days, the known days, 90 minutes. Plus mean الساتردي والساندي شو سميناهم؟ اتش صح؟ both of them. I know, mister. I add the tens first. Then I add the ones. Yeah. Now, let's prepare the inequality, right? H, Saturday and Sunday, right? Plus the rest of the days, which is 90 minutes, should be more than or less than? More than or equal 120. اللي هم 2 hours. But I turn the hours to what? 2 minutes. The units should be the same. يصير شلون استخدم minutes وعلى الجهة الثانية استخدم hour. Okay? 2 hours يعني 120 minutes. Now let's find H. More than or equal 120 minus 90. So H will be 30. More than or equal 30. طيب. Yeah. H يعني the total number of minutes. The total number of minutes for the 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, should be more than or equal what? 30 minutes. Let's go down. Yes, let's go down on A, B, C, D and see which two values can get the 30 minutes to select, right? اطلع على A. الساتردي 5 والساندي 10 مع بعض 15. أنا عندي 30. جربهم شو حيطلع؟ الدي 15 and 20 how much? 35. 35. Yeah, more than 30. Yes. D. D. Yeah, mister, the total should be 30 or more. 30 or more. In part T, in part D, 15 and 20, 35, more than 30, which is acceptable answer. Your homework for tomorrow is page 347. Solve all the questions. That's all for today. Thank you.